This is how we represent the up quark visually. The particle itself is a fundamental particle and is too small to be seen by any imaginable instrument of observation. So we instead represent the properties that allow the up quark to interact. The central small dot represents the weak charge of the up quark. This charge, entirely separate of electric charge, gives rise to the weak nuclear force. This force causes up quarks and down quarks to swap flavors, and its typical range is much smaller than the diameter of a proton. Surrounding that is the volume depicted as gold for the up quark. This represents the electric charge of the up quark, which has a positive charge of +2/3 units. The electric charge is the generator of the electromagnetic force, which has infinite range, although the drop-off in strength is pretty dramatic as we move away from the quark. The larger volume of shifting red, green, and blue is meant to represent the color charge, which generates the strong nuclear force. This is the force that holds quarks together in a proton or neutron. And a residuum of this force holds the proton and neutrons together in the nucleus of an atom. This force is 100 times stronger than the electromagnetic force, but its range is limited to about the size of a proton.